Everybody, it's Kelly. I can't wait to read the story to you. It's Sunday afternoon, and maybe you're just ready for a good book. Um, I feel like I haven't seen you for a couple of days, even though I did read a book to you on Friday. But anyway, we're back, and I'm glad to see you. Hope you're glad to see me. If you want to subscribe to my channel or like it, and I'm going to read to you now. This book is called Ezra. It's by Ezra Jack Keats, and it's Peter's Chair. And I've really enjoyed reading these to you, and I hope you've enjoyed them too. The pictures are really beautiful, and the stories are really creative. So just sit back and relax, and all you have to do is listen. Okie doke. Here we go. Let's see who he dedicated it to. That usually comes first. Peter's Chair by Ezra Jack Keats. Looks like he dedicated it for Joan Rosemond. Okay, here we go. Peter stretched as high as he could. Up, 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 there! His tall building was finished. Crash! Down it came. Shh, called his mother. You'll have to play more quietly. Remember, we have a new baby in the house. Peter looked into his sister's room. His mother was fussing around the cradle. That's my cradle, he thought, and they painted it pink. Hi, Peter, said his father. Would you like to help paint Sister's high chair? It's my high chair, whispered Peter. He saw his crib and muttered, My crib! It's painted pink, too. Not far away stood his old chair. They didn't paint that yet, Peter shouted. He picked it up and he ran to his room. Let's run away, Willie, he said. Peter filled a shopping bag with cookies and dog biscuits. We'll take my blue chair, my toy crocodile, and the picture of me when I was a baby. Willie got his bone. They went outside. Let me get back to the page. They went outside and stood in front of his house. This is a good place, said Peter. He arranged his things very nicely and decided to sit in the chair for a while. But he couldn't fit in the chair. He was too big for the chair. His mother came to the window and called, Oh, won't you come back to us, Peter dear? We have something very special for lunch. Peter and Willie may believe they didn't hear, but Peter got an idea. And they went, and then this is what happened next. Soon his mother saw signs that Peter was home. That rascal's hiding behind the curtain, she thought happily. She moved the curtain away, but he wasn't there. Here I am, shouted Peter. That was so silly. All right, I'm just going to keep going. Sorry, the pages are skipping. He said, Here I am. Peter sat in a grown-up chair. His father sat next to him. Daddy, said Peter, let's paint the little chair pink for Susie. And they did. The end. All right, well, I hope you liked it. Sorry there were little glitches in there, but what a great book. And there's the kitty and Willie. That cat likes him. The cat. Hi, cat. So there's some more books by him that you can read. So many. Here are a few right here. The Snowy Day, Pet Show, Peter's Chair. All right, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys really soon. Click subscribe if you like my videos. Okay, bye.